In this video, we're going to be going through our exam prep courses product and what you get when you purchase it. So let's start off with what you get. So in each exam prep course, and there's one course for each of the core modules as well as for capstone, you're going to get past exam walkthroughs and tips. So this is a series of videos where we walk through past exam papers and show you how to answer it to get 100%. So we also show you how to approach the question, what's the mindset, tips and tricks like time management, and what's the critical part of the question, minimizing errors, things like that. Also, how to use the notes as well that we provide, whether it's the journal template or the tax rec, or whether it's the notes itself, to be able to operate quickly and effectively to get full marks. We also show you what not to do to avoid common mistakes. We also have CSG walkthrough. So if you've ever found the CSG too long, too complicated, or too much unnecessary information in there, then these video series are for you. So what we do is we condense down all the information, all the complex topics into easy to understand videos. So we have a video for each topic in the CSG, which is often quite long, and we just make it a lot easier for you to understand. And it also allows you to watch the videos on the go, whether you're on a walk or at work or on a bus. You can watch our videos. You can re-watch difficult topics or even skip over topics that you understand. So you have a good foundational knowledge to then approach the exam papers. Now, 20% of your mark is also going to come from online quizzes. So we also provide two things for quizzes. We've got our online practice quiz test apps, which if you're not sure what that means, you can go to our page at the top and go to the quizzes section. Now we have some quiz apps over here where you can actually, so this is just an extract from the exam prep course. So you can go through here and actually practice the exam, and it's got questions and answers, and if you get it right, it tells you the answer. If you get it wrong, it tells you and why you got it wrong. You can also download for each of these a PDF which comes with past online questions from quizzes with the answers as well as explanations. So you can always just do a Control F if that doesn't work out. So this is also available in our CA notes, but we also provide this as part of our exam prep course because quizzes are a key focus for us. Now, if you wish to purchase the exam prep course, or if you just want to try it out before you buy it, we offer samples and purchases on the same page. All you have to do is click through here, and that's going to take you through to this page here. You can access the sample courses here, or you can purchase them down below, and of course you can purchase all of them for a big discount. Now, in terms of actually accessing your courses, you can do that after you've purchased and after you're logged in. What you can do is then from the top menu, then select your course from the drop down menu, and that should take you to your course, but it'll only let you access it if you're logged in. Now, a common question we get is this going to be a recurring payment? The answer is no. Once you've purchased this, you get the course for a full year. You only have to pay once, and that's it. As long as you're logged in, you can access the course. And of course, if the course is in relation to your assessable income, as you would know from the tax module, the course is also tax deductible as self-education expenses. Now, in terms of accessing the sample courses I mentioned before, if you want to try before you buy the course, you can click here. That's going to take you through to here where we've got sample courses for each of the core modules. So let's try out Fin, for example. If we click through here, it's going to take us to the sample course for Fin. Now, this is just a limited extract of the full course. Obviously, you don't get the full thing here, but it gives you an idea of what you get in the full course. So you get your introduction, which just gives you an overview and how to study. You're going to have your key downloads up here, which obviously in the sample course you're not going to get, but also gives you access to the article, which is just in our blog page. Gives you some advice, basically how to study, how to use the exam prep module for your own benefit. And then of course we go to our CSG Explain videos, which walk through and explain the content. In the full product we have many more videos, one for each subject. This is just a limited extract. Now if you want to go through the page and just jump around a bit quicker, we've also got this guide down here. You click here, you can go to the top of the page, you can go to the introduction videos or the CSG videos or the exam prep videos or the quiz prep videos and application down here. And of course we've got our exam prep videos down here. Again, only a limited extract from the full course. But for each of these, what we have is we have past exams where we go through by question, show you the question, show you how to approach it, show you how to use the notes, show you any work papers and the exam itself that we use for the purpose of the video, which you can download here. And then of course we get to our quiz preparation, which is, I've showed before, an actual quiz module with questions and answers, which you can scroll down and so forth. And of course you can download this file which I showed you before, which just shows you a consolidated summary of all of the past years and previous years questions from the respective quiz, as well as the answer and and the explanation for it as well. So that'll make your quiz a lot easier. Now obviously in the full course we're going to have quiz 2 and quiz 3 as well, but as this is a limited extract, we don't provide that in the sample course. So that's our overview of the exam prep courses. I hope you found this useful, answered some questions, and a lot of people find this really useful, especially when they want a little bit of extra help, or perhaps they're audio or visual learners rather than just reading from notes. Either way, if you want to try it out, you can go to our website and try it via this link here, and I hope to see you on Merit Training soon.